Yo, what's up, my villains and rebels? It's your family, your boy, Villainous. And we're about to talk to you about our hair. You know what I mean? Black hair specifically. And the reason this come up is I was talking to a comrade who's a dope-ass videographer and editor named Muhammad. Make sure to go over and check out his Instagram and all that good shit. You know what I mean? But we're talking about how people were treated with disrespect for black, and we get out with bedhead. We just talk about we gotta handle some shit, so we're going to go to the store and going to go to work real quick because we didn't have time to do the hair because we woke up a little late because we were working too hard last night. You know what I mean? How we get treated with so much disrespect. But if you're white, you can hop out bedhead all day, probably not even take a shower, and you good. And the problem is it doesn't stop with white people treating us like this. We internalize the damn thing, and so we look at each other crazy for having bedhead, for not having our hair all together. But the thing is, why is that? Honestly, a lot of people who look down upon it are people with straight hair. I mean, they perm that shit. They put a lot of energy and money into that to look acceptable in this society, or they cut it off. Well, the same flip side also is being mixed. As soon as I pick and do my hair, try to take my blackness away from me. Though, bro, you obviously don't know my history. You know what I mean? If that's what you're trying to do. But, fuck it. You know what I mean? The reason we do that is internalized hatred. And we need to find pride in our identities. Like, you know what I mean? Whether you're light skin or dark skin. Whether it's kind of nappy or super nappy. You know what I mean? Because this is our strength. This is our pride. This is who we are in our identity. And if we don't have pride in ourselves, then we'll never be able to claim it from the people who do not have love for us. So, I want to hear what y'all think. Put it in the comment section down below. Hit that like button, hit that sub and that bell so you can keep in contact, and let's build together. Let's create a new world. This is Overthrow Media, hip hop, politics, and life. All right, much love. Bow, we time traveling. And we gotta take a second before this video ends to talk about the holman hunger strike. Eight comrades are on hunger strike right now because of the conditions in Holman. So we need to be phone zapping. I'm not talking about electrocuting the warden. I'm really not. I'm talking about calling and making sure that they don't get no breaks. I'm not talking about, I swear I'm not. All right, so don't indict me. I swear I'm not talking about electrocuting the guards. Okay, but all right, we out of here. Peace. Woo!